Hi there, my name's Chelsea and I'm from Eastern Regional Libraries, and today I'll be showing you how to use the Be Connected website. Be Connected is an initiative that empowers all Australians to develop digital skills and confidence. If you'd like in-person support building your online skills, please get in touch with your local Eastern Regional Library branch and ask for one of our friendly e-learning team members who can help guide you through any Be Connected courses you might be interested in. To access the Be Connected website, we can go to Google and type in Be Connected, and then hit the Enter key or the search button. The first Google result that comes up has the title Be Connected, and this will take us to beconnected.esafety.gov.au. Let's click on that to open the Be Connected website. The Be Connected website has quick links to the topic library, how to find local help, and how to sign up. You can also make the text on the page bigger or smaller by clicking the different sized letter A options in the top right-hand corner. It's a great idea to sign up for the Be Connected website because this means you can save your progress and return to your place in courses after you take a break. To sign up, we need to press the Sign In or Sign Up button in the top right-hand corner of the page. If you've made a Be Connected account before, you can enter your email address and password below the Sign In heading, then press Login. If you're new to Be Connected, you can press Create New Account. When you're creating a new account, you can tap or click in the white spaces and start typing in details like your first and last name. When you're choosing the name of your support centre, you can type in the name of your library branch or type in Eastern Regional Libraries. Today I'm typing in Croydon Library as an example support centre. You'll need to enter an email address and create a password, as well as agree to the terms and conditions of using the Be Connected website. Then press Sign Up for free. This will let you log in anytime you'd like, and it will let you save your progress as well. Now we're ready to start learning some new online skills. We're going to click Topic Library to see what's available. There are a few options for getting started. The first option is to press Start Your Learning Plan and answer a few short questions to see what course Be Connected recommends for you. Today I'm going to say that I'd like to refresh my computer skills, that I'm interested in being safe online, and that I'd like to learn how to avoid tricks and scams. This will take me to the Avoiding Tricks and Scams course, which I can click on Start Now to begin. If you have a particular topic in mind, you can search for it by clicking in the Type here to search your topic space, typing in your topic idea and then pressing the search button. For example, let's say I just got a new iPad and I'd like to learn how to use it. I can type iPad in the search bar, click Search, and Be Connected will show me a course called All About iPads. The last option is to scroll down and see a selection of different topics that are available, including getting started online, internet safety, watching and listening to shows or music online, all about apps, and more. When you find a course that looks interesting, you can press the Explore button. This will show you an outline of the course and approximately how long each activity will take. Activities can include information, videos, and questions for you to answer. When you see that video content is available, you can press the triangle-shaped play button to watch it. As you finish each part of an activity, press Continue to proceed. As you go through activities, you can see a percentage bar at the top of the page. When you finish an activity, you can return to the course and continue the next activity straight away, or take a break and come back later if you created a Be Connected account earlier, as your progress will be saved. Something that many Be Connected users find helpful is the ability to save and print guides from activities. These are available in a range of languages, and you can find these by scrolling down to the bottom of a course page and clicking Download. These instructions are a great refresher for the content in Be Connected courses and are helpful to keep by your side as you build your online skills. If you come back to the Be Connected website later and can't remember where you were up to, you can press the My Courses button to see an overview of courses in progress, or click Record of Learning to see which courses you have already completed. We hope you enjoy learning new digital and online skills using the Be Connected website. And as always, if you'd like support with this content, please call your local Eastern Regional Library branch, contact us on our website, yourlibrary.com.au, or call us on 1300 737 277.